Hi, I'm Hunter Gracie, and welcome to Tourney Time on M6, your hometown station. The Marysville Viking boys bowling team had a standout season, but now comes the fun part, Tourney Time. The Vikings were undefeated in MAC Blue Division with a perfect 10-0 record. They proceeded on to district play, claiming the title. This past weekend, the team also captured the regional crown, beating out 13 other schools for the title. In addition, several Viking bowlers qualified for the individual MHSAA state tournament. The team competition will be held this Friday, and the individuals will compete on Saturday. Two Viking boys bowlers are joining us today, Kylar and Marshal DJ Navani. Welcome back to Tourney Time with Kylar and Marshal DJ, two Marysville Viking bowlers. And they're headed to the MHSAA state finals this weekend. Marshal, what are your thoughts about the state finals?
I think we're really ready because making it as a team is like something to really be proud of. Because once okay, sure, you can have a few people qualify, but since everyone's qualifying, that's really saying something about how strong our team is.
Absolutely. Kylar, what are your thoughts?
You know, it's the first time I've ever gone to states. Other years I haven't bowled as consistently and as well as I have this year. We've definitely improved as a team with the chemistry, bowling, just all around. We're a really solid team. We're going to make this the best year yet.
Oh yeah, team chemistry is a big part of that. So where will the finals be held this year?
Canton, Michigan at Super Bowl Lanes.
Mm-hmm. Okay, and as individuals or the team?
Both.
Oh, okay. Will the scoring be similar to the regional format?
It would be the exact same. For teams, it's 6 Baker games and 3 individual team games. Baker games are you have 5 bowlers. One bowls the first and 6th frame. Other one bowls 2nd and 7th.
Okay.
Like that, and goes so on. And then the individuals 5v5 bowling.
Okay, so what would be the most challenging part of that Baker format?
Definitely staying consistent. Say someone misses a spare or something, you don't want to just continue off what they had. You want to just forget about it and keep bowling your game.
Mm-hmm. Well, as the season is winding down, have you met or exceeded your personal or even team goals this year?
We've definitely made all of our goals. We couldn't ask for a better season so far.
Absolutely.
I mean, it's like a standout season. Mm-hmm. We have not lost one game yet. We've placed first in every event. I mean, why stop now?
Absolutely.
Why not us?
Great season. Kylar, what are your thoughts?
Just 100%. We're doing amazing right now. You know, couldn't ask for anything more.
Absolutely. So how has Coach Badley helped you guys this season?
He really pushed spares a lot. In practice, he would just only make us bowl spares the entire practice. Okay. Don't even get to try to bowl our strike shots. He just makes us work on 7 and 10s because those are the most crucial pins.
Kylar, same with you?
Yeah, most of the pins you're going to leave are 7s and 10s if you're hitting the pocket consistently enough.
So each year a team takes on its own personality. Some are all business, some are very loose, and some are knit, and other are full of young bowlers. So how would you guys characterize this year's bowling team?
I'd say we get down to business when we need to, but we're a pretty loose bunch of guys. You know, we're all really nice and we're ready to bowl.
That's the best part about sports. So what are your guys' favorite part about being on the bowling team?
It's just a really relaxing sport. You know, even with the other team, you make friends and you guys just talk the entire time. It's not like you hate each other like in other sports, but It's just a really relaxing sport to enjoy, and it's just a lot of fun.
So when this season's all over, and you guys hopefully win the state finals this year, what are some memories you could look back on that really stand out?
I think winning holding up the trophy together as a team is definitely something, and just seeing everybody at practice every Monday and Wednesday is just it's going to be different. Not being able to see each other every 2 times a week.
Kylar, what about you?
Yeah, pretty much what Marshall said. Most memorable season yet.
Absolutely. No athlete gets to this point without some type of help. So who are some people that have helped you and had a very big impact on your development?
My dad is a very good bowler. He helped me out a lot during the season with little nitpicks and stuff like that. Coach Badley, definitely a huge help as well.
Mm-hmm. So I know with me, I have to wear the same pair of socks for every game, but do you guys have any certain superstitions or anything?
I kind of do actually. When at where the balls come back and the ball return, there's air, I think if you count, like, you know, like you kind of put your hand in for so
Yeah.
many seconds, I feel like you never get a strike.
Right.
So I always try to like ignore it and just like put my hand in there and just like,
Right.
okay, that's enough.
Right. So, do you have any pro bowlers or anyone that's really inspired you guys personally?
I feel like Pete Weber was a huge inspiration for me. He's one of the greats up there with all those titles he's gotten. Definitely, and he's a one-handed bowler. He bowls, you know, right-handed. I'm not a huge fan of two-handed bowlers.
Right. What about you, Marshall?
To be honest with you, I don't really watch pro bowling or anything,
Okay.
so I don't really
Okay.
know.
Thank you, Kylar and Marshall, for joining us today, and good luck the rest of the season with individual and states. And thank you for joining us on M6, your hometown station.